Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about the project called Do Hourly, and we are going to do a scam check. Okay, first of all, what are we looking for? Has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd? Is there a business model behind it? And so let's see what they have. So basically, what this is all about, they say you get up to 150% ROI, and let me show you in detail, guys, what they're offering. They say total deposits. Let me see if there's a contract that we can check. So first of all, there is no white paper. Okay, it's very easy to do a white paper. There's not even a white paper. Okay, so first red flag. What does it say? Our investment plans are tailored to offer and 2.5 to 3%, and a profit of up to hourly rates 2.5 to 3%, and up to 150% in 50 hours, which is crazy. So let me show you guys. First of all, scam check. Is there a contract address? No. Can we check the contract ourselves? No. More red flags. Has the team been KYC'd? No, there is not even anything. Okay, you don't know who is behind this project. Okay, so no KYC, no contract address, so we can't check the contract ourselves. The contract has, of course, not been audited. There's no white paper and there's no business model. So basically, they don't tell you how they should even be able to pay you your rewards. They just say you get 2.5% hourly for 50 hours, which is just another Ponzi scheme. I hate those kind of projects, guys, because basically, if you invest in this project and they just rely on new people coming in, so if someone else deposits money, they might pay you your rewards based on the money someone else, you coming in, deposits. Okay, so and if new people stop coming in, they cannot pay you your reward anymore, and this breaks to the ground, because there's nothing behind this. There's no business model. They don't trade, they don't have anything going on. They just want new people to come in, and the deposits will pay your rewards. And the other thing is, because there is no KYC, you don't have any idea who's behind these projects. It's very, very likely that they're gonna do a rug pull. That means at some point, let's say in 2 hours or maybe in 2 days, they will just take whatever is in the contract, take the money, rug pull, run away with the money, and you have no idea who is behind this project, and they will just have your money. So that's it, guys. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always do your own research before you invest your money, but I would never invest in any project like this. This is just if you want to make money, you should trade. You will find links down in the description. For example, Bybit and Phemex. You will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links. And so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.